Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the Lion's Dance, Heart, Mind, and Soul. The song is Heart, Mind, and Soul by the artist Debarge. The choreography is Shipp. If you or someone you know is located in the New Orleans area and interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. And guys, I want to give a special shout out to Shipp for choreographing a beautiful line dance to such a beautiful spiritual song. Kudos to you, Janet. Great job. Here we go, guys. That's the line dance, Heart, Mind, and Soul. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.